What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another quality recipe video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a tomato sauce from scratch using fresh tomatoes. It's a really good technique to learn how to do, especially when it comes to the end of the summer where you can get bushels of beautiful ripe tomatoes for super cheap. I'll be doing a video later on in the summer about making a large batch of tomato sauce, canning it and freezing it so you can enjoy tomato sauce all year round. But for now, let me just show you how to make the sauce. Alright, first things first, we're going to talk about the tomatoes. Ideally, you want to use Roma tomatoes as they have a little bit less juice and seeds in them compared to the hothouse big round tomatoes like I have here. But if that's all you have, no worries, it still makes a great sauce. So first we're going to take out the cores, just very carefully using a sharp little paring knife, go around the tomato, taking out the core, and then flip it over and mark a little X in the bottom. Repeat this process for the rest of the tomatoes. I have about 3 pounds of tomatoes here. Set yourself up a large pot of ice water and also bring a large pot of water to a boil. Add your prepared tomatoes and boil them for about a minute or until it looks like the skins are about to peel off. Transfer to the ice water bath to shock it and to stop the cooking. It'll also help the skins peel off. Then gently rub off the skins, cut them in half, and squeeze out all the juice and seeds into a bowl through a fine mesh sieve. Using either super clean hands or a rubber spatula, make sure you push through all the juice through that sieve. Then chop up the tomato and add it to the bowl with the juice. Now we're going to mince about 1 small onion or half a large onion. Also 3 cloves of garlic. You can either just slice it or you can mince it, up to you. Now to a large pot over medium heat, add a couple tablespoons of olive oil and start sauteing your minced onion. After about 5 minutes of the onions cooking, you can add the garlic and if you like, a little bit of chili flakes. Cook that out for another minute, add a bay leaf, and also about a half cup of white wine. Then we're going to bring that to a boil, cook out all the liquid. You don't want any of the wine left. Feel free to add a little bit of basil here, or basil stems. I was taught to add basil at the start of the cooking and a lot more at the end of the cooking. And then we're going to add our tomatoes. Season with about a teaspoon of salt, turn it on high and bring to a boil. Once it's at a boil, turn it down to a simmer and cook it out for about 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, grab your basil, pick the leaves off the stems. You can put those stems right in the pot. We're going to be picking them out later. Roll up the leaves and give it a rough chop. Once your sauce is nice and reduced, you could add the fresh basil. Then just give it a taste, check the seasoning, you might need a little bit more salt. Pluck out those basil stems, and you're good to go. Alright guys, that's it. You see how easy it was? Super delicious fresh tomato sauce that you can make in your home. So next time you're in the grocery store, pick up some nice tomatoes and make it for yourself. Feel free to make it however you want it, customize it, add more onions, less onions, more garlic, more chili, whatever you want. You don't have to keep it chunky, you could puree it after it's cooked. I prefer it chunky, but to each their own. So yeah, that's it for me. Take care, stay inside, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.